Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss congruence of triangles. Very first point, this symbol read as congruence 2. Congruence figures, second point, two geometrical figures having the same shape and size are said to be congruent. Triangles or congruent figures. Here we are going to discuss what is meaning of having same shape and size. Here two coins made in the same years, so they look very similar to each other. Means they have same shape. When we place one triangle upon another, they cover each other completely. This shows that they have same size. Means these two coins cover each other completely, having same shape and size, so they are congruent. I just discussed some more examples. Two line segments having equal length, they are congruent to each other. Two circles of equal radii, they are congruent to each other. Two squares of equal sides, they are also congruent. These are some simple examples. But our main topic, congruence of triangles. To verify it, we take two triangles, ABC and PQR. Here we cut triangle PQR from our paper and we try to put it upon another triangle. We try to in different ways, but only one condition, when they cover each other completely. That is the condition when point P upon A, Q upon B and R upon C, then both the triangles cover each other completely. Here P and A, Q and B, C and R said to be corresponding vertices. This symbol read as corresponding to ABC corresponding to PQR. These are corresponding vertices. In the same way, observe here ABC, angle ABC covered by angle PQR. So these are corresponding angles. In the same way, AB, BC and CA cover PQ, QR and RP. So these are corresponding sides. We aren't discuss always separately angle and side. We generally use as sides and angles, both are used as parts of triangle. The three angles and the three sides of a triangle are together said to be six parts of the triangle. When two triangles are congruent, then six parts of one triangle are equal to corresponding six parts of the other triangle. Means angle ABC equals to angle PQR. In the same way, AB, BC and CA sides equal to PQ, QR and PR. Here another point, another important point, when we have to write in symbol to represent two congruent triangles, the order of the corresponding vertices must be the same. As we observe here, ABC corresponding to vertices PQR, giving them roll number 1, 2, 3. Now triangle ABC congruent to PQR, they have the same roll number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the correct manner. But when we write triangle ABC congruent triangle QRP, here 1, 2, 3, here 2, 3, 1, this is wrong. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle RPQ, here 1, 2, 3 and here 3, 1, 2, this is also the wrong manner. Only one first manner is correct. The order of the corresponding vertex must be the same. Here we discuss an abbreviation CPCT. This is abbreviation of corresponding parts of congruent triangles. C for corresponding, P for parts, C for congruent, T for triangles. Up to this stage we discussed there are two methods under which we are able to say that two triangles are congruent. Very first, when we cut one triangle and superpose upon another, they cover each other, they are said to be congruent. And the second method, we measure all the six parts of one triangle and corresponding six parts of the other. They are equal to each other, then the triangles are said to be congruent. But in practical, when we have to solve a question, these two things quite difficult. So we have to discuss about the third method. You are familiar to the word criteria. This is sufficient condition, not less than, not more than. For the congruence of triangles, very first SAS, we have to discuss in NCERT book axiom 7.1, ASA theorem 7.1, SSS theorem 7.4, RHS 7.5, and AAS is a corollary based on upon theorem 6.1. Very first we start from axiom 7.1. It is also said to be SAS congruence rule. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other. We only verify it by the help of activity. Here we discuss two triangles ABC, PQR. Angle B equals to angle Q, both are 30 degree. AB equals to PQ 7 centimeter. VC equals to QR 7.5 centimeter. Suppose that we cut triangle PQR from the piece of paper and we try to superpose upon triangle ABC. Angle B and Q are equal. They cover each other. As we observe here, AB and PQ are equal. They cover each other. QR and BC are equal. They also cover each other. Finally, what we get? Both triangles cover each other. So they are congruent to each other. This shows that SAS axiom is true and verified. That's okay.